Hey guys, how's it going? Just got this Star Raven 2 inflatable kayak. Didn't really see any other reviews on it yet, so I wanted to put one out there so you can kind of see what you're getting if you buy this boat. It's super nice. I actually got one already and it had some cosmetic issues on it. NRS sent me this new one, paid for the shipping and everything. They're really great customer service. It's a really good boat. The last one just had some cosmetic issues, so I won't judge it by that. We'll start with just what comes in the box. Everything came really nice, packaged in plastic and stuff. I already took a lot of it off. We'll start with the bag that the boat comes with. It's a super sturdy bag compared to a lot of other inflatables. It has backpack straps. When I took my last one out about 2 times, it was really easy to carry around. Really sturdy, nice bag. Has straps inside to tighten everything down once you get it deflated. Comes with a super nice double chambered pump. Pumps it up really fast. Has C7 valves. Also came with some various adapters for the pump. Has a pressure gauge on it as well. It goes to 25 psi. Then here we got just the owner's manual. It's handy. Comes with this really nice repair kit. This little orange container. Has a valve wrench in it. Some patches, nice patches, as well as some repair adhesive. That is nice. It's a nice little container you can carry in the boat with you. And get it back in here. Don't worry about that later. And here's the seats. Came with 2 seats. They're really comfy. Like I said, I've used this kayak before. The straps kind of tuck back in here. They strap to the front and back of the seat, as well as some Velcro straps on the bottom here. They've got some nifty little cup holders on the back, as well as these nice little zippered pouches. Now let's unfold the boat and show you about how long it takes to pump up. And so this boat has a drop stitch floor. It's about 12 feet long, I believe. Yeah, the drop stitch floor goes up to 10 psi. So it's really sturdy. I haven't taken it into any big rapids or anything yet, but we've gone through some like class 2s and 3s. Handled really well. I also got some thigh straps and a foot brace for this boat as well. Makes whitewater a little better. Probably should have got all this plastic off first. Alright. Yeah, it's a PVC boat. Seems pretty durable. Alright, so let's get it pumped up. See how these valves just twist in like this, and we can go ahead and start pumping. Start with one of the tubes. It's kind of a loud pump. If you want to skip forward a couple minutes, that's fine. Let's see how long this takes. I like to kind of just get the form of the tube and then top it off after I get the other side. One mistake I just made. These have a locking twist valve, so I forgot to lock that first. But you just have to stick your finger and twist it to lock it before you start pumping up is ideal. Lock that one. And then when you want to deflate, you just push down and twist it to the left. And I'll let all the air out. This is a pretty big boat, but my girlfriend wanted me to get a 2-person. She can come out with me. It's also nice because I can do some overnight trips and have lots of room for gear. Just not as maneuverable as a 1-person. We'll get these tubes up to like 2.5 psi. That's good. 2.5 psi. One bad thing is this pump is really big, so I'm probably going to get a smaller pump, like a K pump, to keep in the boat when I'm on the river. Alright, 2.5 psi. Pump up the drop stitch floor. This goes, like I said, you want it around 8 psi, but it can go up to 10. This boat is self-bailing as well, so you can see it has self-bailing holes all along, which is nice because you can use that for thigh straps or foot braces or seats or whatever. We'll see how long it takes to pump up this board. It's 8 psi. This pump is kind of loud. I need to mess with it. By the way, this is like the first YouTube review video I've ever done. So sorry it's not that great. Just wanted you to be able to see what you get when you buy this boat. This pump also has, it's got a little like tab on it. It's got a pressure booster and air max, so this should just make it easier to pump. That's a lot easier, but I think it's just using one chamber instead of both. It's about 8 psi. Alright, so that's the boat all inflated. Obviously, once you get the hang of it, it's a little quicker when you're not peeling all the plastic off and opening it up for the first time. So yeah, these D-rings here, where the seats attach, I'm not going to put the seats on now. Actually, another tip is you want to put the seats on before you fully inflate this floor. This floor is hard. It's kind of hard to get the straps for the seats into these straps when it's this inflated. So I recommend put the seats on before you pump it up all the way, then go ahead and top it off. But yeah, like I said, these seats basically, you'd want to pull this Velcro off, run these through these straps, flip it over on there, then you've got straps that are tucked in here, and yeah, got little these little rings on them. You latch those with the D-rings in the front, as well as the back. Same with the back seats. It does have 2 D-rings here as well, just for accessories or anything you might want to strap down. Doesn't have any in the front though. But yeah, that's the Star Raven 2. Like I said, I'm not going to put these seats in just yet right now because it's kind of hard when the floor is inflated. But they are comfy seats. They're really sturdy, being buckled up in the front and the back, as well as that Velcro. Converting it to use as one person, you could get this front seat back, still be on that Velcro strap, and you're sitting just about in the middle with plenty of room for whatever you need to throw in here. Yeah, again, that was my first review, so sorry if it's not great. But Star Raven 2 NRS, really great customer service. Seems like a really good boat for what I need to do. Thank you. Have a good one.